Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So we have someone here with a tire. She has a piece of wood. And she's going in with some rope. Looks like she's making a table. Oh, an ottoman. Oh, that's cute. Very cool idea. And then we have a boho basket coffee table. So these, of course, are very popular on TikTok. We see them all the time. So for this one, she's just taking like a nice big round basket. Cutting off the handles. I feel like this part of the project would probably be like the hardest aspect of it. Oh, wow. Now it looks like she put a little bit of a stain there on the top. We didn't really get a close-up, but very simplistic design. And then here we have someone with a bowl and the little gold balls. Little gold pieces. Looks like she's making like a decorative bowl here. Oh, that's pretty. And I'm not just saying that because it's gold and white. I know what you're thinking. I just think that it's aesthetic. Like it's a good look. So it looks like she's probably doing like that pedestal style trend for this one. Oh, she made the bowl and then a vase. But you could totally turn this into like a pedestal style bowl too. I really like that bowl. That is so pretty. Alright, so the next DIY involves some popsicle sticks. It looks like some cardboard here. Mod Podge. Some kind of paper. Oh, it says Starbucks. Oh, like a Starbucks coffee. Oh, these are cute. Maybe like some Starbucks inspired coffee coasters. This would also make for like really cute wall art though, honestly. If you like drinking like Starbucks coffee, that would be really cute. Oh yeah, this is the art coasters. That is cute. And then we have a furniture flip. So they have this old piece here. Let's see what they end up doing with it. Oh, wow. I love the color palette, the gold, the neutral colors, the wood at the top. Wow, this is beautiful. Very nice. And then we have an air clay DIY project. Looks like she's making some type of like bowl design here. Oh wow, that is really cool. Wow. I wonder if she made that candle holder too. Very nice. And then we have another project with some clay. Another bowl. Oh, it looks like she might be making a ruffled bowl for this one. Those ruffled bowls are so cute. Like you can put so many like things in them. Oh, very nice. She used it as a jewelry holder. Cute. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.